Garma, and today I am here to explain you how to form negative sentences when there is an article coming in between any sentence. Okay, so our today's topic is la négation avant les articles. That means the negation before the articles. Avant means before the articles. Okay, so very first point is, in negative sentences, the indefinite articles. Now we have already learned what are indefinite articles. In French, indefinite articles are en, un and they. Okay, en for masculine, un for feminine and they for plural. Whenever in between any sentence these three articles are coming, then this will become the or the apostrophe. Okay, the before any consonant and the apostrophe before any vowel or h. Okay, because h is also considered as a vowel. Okay, so now let's see a few examples. First one, J apostrophe ai. This is verb avoir. J'ai, that means I have. En means a. Estilo means pen. I have a pen. Now, if we want to write this sentence in a negative form, we are going to use two words. One before, first word before the verb and second word after the verb. So, J apostrophe will become je. Okay. Then, A is the helping verb of verb avoir. So, before A will be N apostrophe because A is starting with a vowel. So, N apostrophe. Then, AI, A, and after A will be pas. Je n'ai pas. That means I do not have. A pen. Now here indefinite article en is coming. So, we are going to convert this en indefinite article into the. Why the? Why not the apostrophe? Because estilo is starting with a consonant. So, we are going to write the estilo. I don't have pen. Okay. Second example, tu as une règle. You have a ruler. Again, un is coming. So, instead of un, in negative sentence, we are going to write the. Again, the, not the apostrophe because regular is starting with a consonant. So, tu n'as pas de règle. Okay, there are few examples and I am going to explain you now. Now, let us see the third example. Elle a des gommes. Now, this sentence is in plural form. Okay, elle n'a pas. Now, an apostrophe will come before a and after a, pa will come. Elle n'a pas. They will be converted into the. Gomme. Because gomme is starting with G consonant. So, we are going to write here the. And because it is in the plural form, so whether we are writing the here, we are not going to write gomme in singular form only. It will be in plural only. Elle n'a pas de gomme with S. Now next example. Il y a des étudiants. Il y a means there is or there are. But it depends on the context. When you are going to use there is or there are. Like for example, after Elia, I have written des étudiants. That means I have written it in plural form. So, Elia will become there are. Des étudiants means either students or some students. There are some students. So to convert this type of sentence in negative form, how we are going to convert it? After il and before y, we are going to put an apostrophe, and after a, we are going to write pa. So this will become il nya pa. Now, because this word étudiant is starting with a vowel e, so instead of the, we are going to use d apostrophe here and étudiant with s. So, il n'y a pas d'étudiant. Okay. Now, there is one exception that this rule is not applicable for verb être. So, till now, I was writing the examples only with verb avoir. If you can see the helping verb, I have used only verb avoir. Okay. Now, let us look at the examples of verb être, the sentences related to verb être. So here are few examples of verb être. Okay. First example is c'est un cahier. Now you can see that est, a or sont, sont comes in verb être only. Okay. So c'est un cahier, that means this is a notebook. So whenever un, une or they is coming with verb être, these articles will remain same in the negative sentence also. So c'est un cahier, so here a is the helping verb. So before a will come an apostrophe and after a, pa will come. Okay. Ce n'est pas un cahier. Okay. Then second one, c'est une classe. This is a classroom. Ce n'est pas une classe. This is not a classroom. Ce sont des ailes. These are wings. Ce ne sont pas. Because why na is coming here instead of an apostrophe? Because this helping verb is starting with S consonant. Ce ne sont pas des ailes. Okay? So, whenever verb être is coming in the sentence, the articles will remain same. But when verb avoir will be coming with indefinite articles, it will change in the negative form and it will become the or the apostrophe. Now there is one more rule in forming negative sentences. Now, till now we have seen indefinite articles. Now let us have a look in the definite articles. Okay. Now the next one. In negative sentence, the definite articles le, la, l apostrophe and le will remain same. So let us have a look at these four examples. Il a le stylo. He has pen. Now, le will remain same when the sentence is converted into negative one. Il n'a pas le stylo. Second, elle a la gomme. It will be converted into elle n'a pas la gomme. Il a l'oiseau. Because the word is starting with a vowel, so we are writing here L apostrophe. Again, it will remain same. Il n'a pas l'oiseau. And And the last example is elle a les règles. Elle n'a pas les règles. So today we have learned 3 things in this video. That is, first one, if you are using verb avoir with indefinite articles, the indefinite articles are you and they will be converted into the or the apostrophe. Second thing, if you are using indefinite articles with verb être, it will remain same in the negative form. And the third one is that if you are using definite articles, then the definite articles will also remain same in the negative form. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.